Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jump 2013 Hyundai Elantra step by step. Gather jumper cables, a running donor vehicle, and protective gloves, then confirm battery terminals are clean and free of corrosion, and ensure polarities match. Identify the negative ground on the donor vehicle and keep metal jewelry away. Keep children and pets clear of the vehicles while you work, and double-check cable order before starting the engine. In this video, I will show how to jump 2013 Hyundai Elantra step by step. After identifying terminals, connect the red clamp to the dead battery positive, then to the donor positive, ensuring a snug fit. Next, attach the black clamp to the donor negative and secure the other black clamp to an unpainted metal ground on the Elantra away from the battery. Keep cables clear of moving parts and ensure clamps do not touch each other. In this video, I will show how to jump 2013 Hyundai Elantra step by step. Quick recommendation: grab a Kindle Paperwhite to read repair manuals and how-to guides anywhere. It's lightweight and easy to hold while you work. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to jump 2013 Hyundai Elantra step by step. With cables secure, start the donor car and let it idle for several minutes to provide charge, then try starting the Elantra. If it cranks but stalls, let it run and charge for a bit longer. If it fails after a few attempts, disconnect and check connections or seek professional help. Finally, remove cables in reverse order carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.